What if the next big AI device isn't a phone? And isn't a laptop? But something you're already wearing on your face? Meta is betting billions of dollars that AI glasses will become the next major computing platform. And after seeing what these new AI glasses can do, that prediction might not be as crazy as it sounds. Today we're breaking down the 10 biggest things you need to know about Meta's AI glasses launch. Some of these features are impressive. Some are controversial. And one of them could completely change the way people interact with technology every day. Let's get started. The first thing people need to understand is that Meta isn't building regular smart glasses. These are AI-powered wearable computers. That's a massive difference. Previous smart glasses mostly focused on taking photos, recording videos, or displaying notifications. Meta is trying to create something much bigger. The goal is to give users an AI assistant that can see and understand the world around them. Think about that for a second. Instead of pulling out your phone and opening an app, you simply ask your glasses a question. The AI sees what you're seeing and responds instantly. That sounds simple, but it's actually a huge shift in how humans interact with technology. And here's where it gets interesting. The second major feature is real-time visual understanding. This might be the most powerful capability of all. Imagine you're walking through a city you've never visited before. You look at a building. The AI identifies it. You look at a restaurant menu written in another language. The AI translates it instantly. You look at a product in a store. The AI explains what it is. This moves AI beyond text prompts and into real-world awareness. Most people still think AI lives inside a chatbot. Meta wants AI to live in the real world, right in front of your eyes. Now let's talk about feature number 3. Hands-free productivity. This is where many professionals could benefit. Picture a real estate photographer driving between appointments, or a contractor working on a job site, or a business owner running errands. Instead of stopping to check a phone, they can interact with AI through voice commands. Create reminders. Set appointments. Send messages. Get directions. Take notes. All while keeping their hands free. That convenience may sound small, but saving dozens of tiny interruptions every day adds up quickly. Now here's a surprising insight that many people don't realize. The real competition isn't Apple. It's smartphones themselves. Most people assume Meta is trying to beat other tech companies. But Meta's bigger goal is reducing how often people reach for their phones. If AI glasses become useful enough, the phone could slowly become less important. And that possibility has the entire technology industry paying attention. Next up is feature number 4. Built-in cameras and content creation. This could be huge for creators. Imagine capturing moments exactly as you see them. No holding a phone. No carrying extra equipment. No missing the action. Content creators can record hands-free videos. Travelers can document experiences naturally. Businesses can create behind-the-scenes content instantly. For social media creators, that convenience could be a game-changer. And that's exactly why Meta continues investing heavily in this technology. But before we move on, there's something most headlines aren't talking about. Privacy. And that's concept number 5. Privacy concerns may become the biggest challenge facing AI glasses. Think about it. A device with cameras, microphones, internet connectivity, and artificial intelligence, all worn on your face. Not everyone is comfortable with that idea. People nearby may wonder when recording is happening, how data is stored, and who can access it. The technology is impressive, but public trust may determine whether AI glasses become mainstream. Now let's look at concept number 6. Real-time language translation. This sounds futuristic, but it's becoming increasingly practical. Imagine speaking English while another person speaks Spanish. The glasses translate conversations in real time. Travel becomes easier. International business becomes easier. Communication barriers become smaller. For many users, this single feature could justify buying the device. And the technology will likely improve dramatically over the next few years. Here's a quick question. What happens when AI can see everything you see? Keep that thought in mind because we'll come back to it shortly. First, let's talk about concept number 7. AI-powered search without screens. Today, most searches happen on phones or computers. Tomorrow, they may happen through conversations. Instead of typing questions, you simply ask. The AI responds naturally. Need information about a product? Ask. Need help identifying a tool? Ask. Need instructions while working? Ask. The interaction becomes faster, more natural, and potentially more useful than traditional search. That shift could dramatically change how information is consumed online. Now let's move to concept number 8. The ecosystem battle. This launch isn't just about glasses. It's about building an entire AI ecosystem. Meta wants its AI integrated into daily life. Phones, wearables, social platforms, messaging apps, and future devices. The more connected these products become, the more valuable the ecosystem becomes. That's why this launch matters beyond the hardware itself. It's part of a much larger strategy. Concept number 9 is something investors and tech experts are watching closely. The race for the next computing platform. Every major technology era has had a dominant device. Desktop computers, laptops, smartphones. Now companies are competing to define what's next. Meta believes wearable AI could be that next platform. Apple has its vision. Google has its vision. And Meta has its own vision. The company that wins this race could shape how billions of people use technology for decades. That's why these launches attract so much attention. And finally, concept number 10. What AI glasses could look like 5 years from now. This is where things get really interesting. Future versions may recognize objects instantly, provide navigation overlays, offer live coaching, assist workers in real-world tasks, help students learn faster, and provide personalized information based on what users are looking at. The technology we're seeing today may only be the beginning. Remember that question from earlier? What happens when AI can see everything you see? The answer is simple. Technology becomes more aware of the world around you than ever before. That creates incredible opportunities. But it also creates important questions about privacy, security, and control. The success of AI glasses will depend on how well companies balance those two realities. So here's the bottom line. Meta's AI glasses aren't just another gadget. They're an early glimpse into what the future of computing might look like. A future where AI isn't trapped inside apps and websites. A future where AI moves with you throughout your day. Whether that future arrives in 2 years or 10 years remains to be seen. But one thing is clear. The race to build the next generation of technology is already underway. And Meta just made one of its biggest moves yet. If you found this breakdown helpful, keep an eye on Next Wave Tech. Because the AI hardware revolution is only getting started. and some of the biggest developments are still ahead.